Hey guys, and look what I got in the rear mirror. Sometimes you gotta take time for nature. Alright, let's see. What's happening? Woo! Look at them, so cute. I wonder if you can pet them though. Wow! Ay, look how cute you are. Look at my hand. You got a rough tongue though. You see, sometimes you need to just enjoy nature. Enjoy what you have. You know, it is very strengthening. Wow! I don't know that cow. I haven't seen it. I'll give him a little pat, rub his nose. Be cute with the animals. We are life forces, God's creation. Enjoy that.